thank you for joining me today. In this video, I want to show you guys this washing machine cleaner from Maravello. Alright, here we go! This washing machine cleaner is compatible with all models. It's sterilized, deodorized, safe to use, and it's refreshing. The scent is aloe scent. These tablets are super easy to use. Here in front of me is a new high efficiency washing machine. The first thing we want to do is put this tablet in the empty washer drum. Now we close the door. Turn the machine on. Now I want to change the setting to clean and wash. And press start since everything else will be automatic. So this is what it looks like after one rinse. Looks very clean. There is some foam residue left. I'll have to do one quick rinse to rinse it out.